Ah, you love the yellow one. You sit closer to him. Sit close. Sit close to him. Careful. You give him some yellow. You can eat different colors. You say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Here, oh.
Hi, Daddy.
Here, you look here.
Hi, Daddy.
Nag-color coding na siya.
At least hindi nagtumakbo. Huwag nyo na lagyan kahit ano mamaya sa pinggan niya na yan.
Thank you, ate.
Ay, una, i-text mo na si Pa. Like, smart ka rin naman, di ba? Sabihin mo, adik ka mo maturo. Text ka, tanong. Oo, kasi kung